Okay, this one come the wrong side. Well, not with the wrong side. It have to be like just one way. The way they send this one is when the door will close like that. Then this one will work the inside. You just put it in there and stick it in there. The key will be the right side. But if your door work the other direction, like over here, key normal, but over there you see like it's opposite, then now we have to turn the cylinder the other direction. We have to make the cylinder the other direction, then will work. To do that, okay, because this is a new style, then like I didn't find it on YouTube. That was like I have to figure it out. Then with the Allen wrench, with the key, you just stick it in that hole. I already lose the screw inside. Then the knob is ready to go out. Okay, then you put it out. Now you see the cylinder. Then we have to flip. We have to turn it upside down. The one we're gonna make this one loose will be this. This is the secure ring. This one we're gonna make this one go out with the flat screwdriver. You just push it. Okay. Just push this one. Okay. I'm sorry, like I have to. Okay, that is loose, but we have to put it out. We have to pull it out. Okay. Now the pin is out. Okay, now this is out. You cannot. Okay. You have to hold it because now it's loose. Okay, you hold the cylinder and then you just move the camera. Okay, see. Okay, now we pull them out and then we just turn it that way we want it. Okay, now you can see in the side there is the groove in there where it have to go. Now we're gonna push the pin into the clip over here inside here, and then okay, we have to just push this one. Okay. The recording because I'm using my two hands just to make sure like everything works. Now I put everything back like how it has to be, and now if you see these, the cylinders, I turn it and now it will work. Okay, but I have to put the knob back in there. You align this one. Okay, when you align the holes, then you put the key in there and you just tight. Okay. Okay, it's tight. Okay, it's very tight. Okay. Now you can come over here. That's normal way have to be. And now we'll align. Now we'll be okay. You just push the latch in there. And now we have the cylinder right. And it's working. Thanks for watching.